Right, so I've been using KREA-2 inside WanGP. That's the free local open source video and image generator we use a lot on this channel. And I have to be honest with you, I went in expecting it to be fine, maybe a bit nice. What I got was something I wasn't expecting at all.
I'm Amelia. This is Good Vibes AI, and today I'm testing KREA-2 across 12 different prompts, portraits, fantasy art, product shots and landscapes, to find out whether this is genuinely the best free image model available right now, or just another one that looks good in someone else's demo reel. Here's what we're doing. I'm running everything at 720p, 16:9, 4 images per prompt, 8 inference steps. All local, all free. And I'm not cherry picking. You're seeing all 4 results every time. Let's go. Portraits. First up, a candid portrait of a woman in her 30s, sitting in a coffee shop, natural window light, shallow depth of field, film grain. The kind of shot that usually exposes a model's weaknesses pretty fast. 4 images. Less than 50 seconds. And fair play. These are really realistic. Like, actually realistic. Not AI realistic where you squint and forgive it. Properly convincing photographs. Really impressed straight away. Second portrait prompt. 2 friends laughing together at a market stall. Both in focus, natural daylight, no distortion. This is the one that catches most models out. 2 people, both sharp, no melting faces. Again, less than 50 seconds. And again, really, really good. Both people in focus, natural expressions. I'm going to be honest, I'm quite surprised how good this is. Now the hard one. Close-up of a woman's hands cupping a ceramic mug, steam rising, warm light, macro shot. Hands. The thing that breaks every model. Super quick, less than 50 seconds again. And the hands? Really good. Realistic, properly proportioned, everything where it should be. I wasn't expecting that. Right, we're moving into fantasy. Lone night on a cliff edge at sunset. Dramatic silhouette, painterly style, epic fantasy illustration. These are beautiful. Like, genuinely beautiful. Not in a generic AI way. There's actually atmosphere there. Next, a busy fantasy tavern interior. Multiple characters, warm candlelight, detailed environment. This is where complexity usually causes chaos. Lots of figures, lots of light sources, lots of stuff to get wrong. Wow, these are really good. I mean, wow, these are stunning. Multiple characters, the lighting is warm and consistent. The detail in the environment is just, yeah. Now, the most ambitious one. A dragon made entirely of storm clouds and lightning, mid-flight over a flooded medieval city at night. Cinematic lighting, hyper-detailed. And honestly, absolutely fantastic. I think this might be my new favourite open source image model. I said it at this point in the recording and I'm keeping it in, because it's true. Product shots now. Luxury perfume bottle on a marble surface. Soft studio lighting, white background, commercial photography style. Really nice. Second one, nice. Third, fourth. Yeah, these look really professional. Like ad ready, properly commercial quality. Flat lay of skincare products on dried flowers and linen fabric, pastel tones, overhead shot, editorial style. These look so professional. Really impressed. This is the kind of image you'd pay someone for. Now the fun one. A coffee cup with the words good vibes printed clearly on the side. Warm morning light, photorealistic. Text on products is always where AI falls apart, so it clearly says good vibes. I'm impressed. Nailed the text. Tidy. Scottish Highlands now. Misty, golden hour, rolling hills, lone tree, cinematic wide shot. Beautiful. Really nice results. One thing, I asked for a lone tree and it gave me multiple trees, so it doesn't always follow the prompt word for word. Worth knowing. But the images themselves? Gorgeous. Neon-lit Tokyo backstreet at night, rain-slicked pavement, cyberpunk atmosphere. It looks amazing. There's a load of Japanese writing on the signs. I don't know how accurate it is, but it looks the part. Really atmospheric. Last one. Underground cave system, bioluminescent plants, campfire, moonlight through a crack in the ceiling. 3 separate light sources all needing to coexist. Really good. I wouldn't say it's the most realistic of the batch. You can feel the AI in it a little more here, but they are beautiful images. The lighting is more impressionistic than precise on the complex cave prompt, just so you know going in. So, 12 prompts, 4 images each, 48 images total, all local, all free, all done in WanGP, which you can download right now for nothing. Overall, I am really, really impressed. This is probably going to be my #1 image tool going forward, especially once LoRA support lands properly, because if the base model is this good, trained character consistency is going to be something else. It's free. It's local, it's open source, you can run it on your own computer. The catch is, very literal prompt following isn't always there. It interpreted lone tree as multiple trees. Nothing that would stop me using it, but I'm telling you now, not at the end. Link to WanGPT is in the description. No affiliate link, never is. In a bit, good vibes only.